Today we are going to dive into the Taurus new moon happening on 27th May. This one is all about slowing down, simplifying your life and reconnecting with what really matters to you, be it emotional security, physical well-being or your sense of self-worth. Hi, I'm Sangeeta and I welcome you to New Era Astrology. Here we decode the cosmos to reawaken inner healing and self awareness. This astrology is based on modern psychology. So, now let us explore how current planetary energies are shaping our inner world and also offering us opportunities as well as healing. So this new moon is happening earthy sign of Taurus, which loves peace, harmony and beauty. It also rules finances. So it's a great time to ask yourself what makes me feel safe and which life area I am looking for calm and stability. So you might have strong desire to slow down the things little bit, then ground your emotions and create routines that will support your body as well as mind. So this is a good time to set intentions for finances, relationships and health. And especially if you set intentions around this new moon, then those are going to last longer and will give you steady results. So if you have any planets in Taurus or Capricorn or Virgo, you will feel the energies of this new moon strongly, and in particularly if you have any planets in Taurus, that will be a kind of a fresh start for you. So Mercury is going to be very close to this new moon, so that means your emotions and thoughts are going to be linked very closely. So you might feel more in touch with what you want and more ready to express it. So it's a great time to express or talk the things out, journal it or make the decision from calm and stable place. So Pluto will also be in harmonious aspect to this new moon. So Pluto is going to give us a strength to let go of our old fears and rebuild with more confidence. And any emotional shifts made around that time will last longer because they will be coming from deep place of truth. So there will be very special pattern that will be forming around new moon. It will be among Pluto, Saturn and Mercury. So that they will form a minor grand trine, and that means our thoughts, discipline and emotional growth will be working together. If you ever wanted to speak the truth, get organized or commit to a goal, then this energy is going to help you bring clarity and purpose to it. So this special pattern is suggesting a slow and steady transformation. So make use of it. So next aspect is Jupiter is squaring nodal axis. So we might feel unsure of what path to take, and we might question our old beliefs, but that's okay because Jupiter is urging us to ask or encouraging us to ask queries. So stay curious, learn new things, maybe let go of the need to have all the answers. They will come eventually. So around the same time, Black Moon Lilith will also square Mars. So that means some tension will arise, especially around relationship areas. So we will be torn between keeping peace and expressing our real true feelings. The key is honesty. Speak up but be gentle. Then there are some ongoing aspects, so I am just going to retouch around those. So first is Saturn and Neptune conjunction in Pisces. So that is telling us or reminding us that dreams can come true, but that will need some patience and structure and discipline around it. So don't give up on your visions, keep trying, just take one step at a time. So next is Mars and Venus are still in beautiful aspect. So we might feel more supported in relationships, more emotionally connected in it, and more motivated to nurture people and goal that matters. So Uranus is sextiling Saturn. Since past few months this aspect is going on, and that will be there until next year. So that suggests a steady but radical progress. So I have created a short video around this topic. I'm going to give the link in description. So please do visit, because I have explained all the major shifts and transformation that is going to happen around us in our society. So more at personal level, this is a wonderful time to try something new in the areas of technology or unique artistic style. So we can do it in a steady way, no rush, no hurry, but one step at a time. Just simple steps towards lasting changes. The next important update is Chiron has recently moved into the sign of Aries. So Aries means self-expression, assertion, and being yourself. So this has opened up a new healing cycle. So we will be learning to be ourselves without apology, and will learn to trust our instincts. It's okay if confidence takes time, but showing up is very important step in healing journey. And Chiron will also be in harmonious aspect to Jupiter. That aspect is still going on. So that is helping us to grow more confident in our voice. So if you ever have been feeling less confident in speaking up, sharing your ideas, then now is the time to start trying. So another big news is Jupiter has moved the sign and it has entered into Gemini. This brings expansion into learning, communication and networking. So if you are in business or marketing or teaching or into real estate, then this is a great time to share your messages and ideas. You can create new connections and explore fresh ideas. But just be mindful that you don't take up too much at once. Just be steady and intentional. So if you have any planets, personal planets in Gemini, then you will feel the energy, and if Jupiter is making contact with your personal planet, then you will definitely feel some breakthroughs in certain areas. So to sum up the energies of this new moon, this Taurus new moon is your invitation to slow down, return to your values and build your life from inside out. So there will be strong support for healing, clear thinking and gentle action. If you are running the business or you want to share your work with the world, then now is the time to communicate it simply, clearly and confidently. If this episode has helped you, then follow, share it with someone who needs this calm and clear energies right now. Until next time, stay rooted, stay real, and trust your path. Thank you so much.